We bought a pearl ring straight from the Pearl Island, Phu Quoc, Vietnam. Today we're going inside a real pearl factory in Phu Quoc to see exactly how these pearls are made and put it to the test. Can we pick the perfect pearl ring? This place is even more incredible than we imagined, and it completely blew us away. Stick around, especially when you see the giant 300-kilogram clamshell.
Good morning from Vietnam.
Our first stop is the pearl farm. Let's go. Phu Quoc is known as Vietnam's Pearl Island. Most of the pearl farms are on the east side, where the waters are calm and perfect for oysters. Each oyster can take several years to form a pearl, and some are rare colors, like gold or black. And some of the giant clams can weigh hundreds of kilograms. It's incredible to see in person.
So let's get in and explore the pearl farm. So now we're gonna go and see how the pearls are made.
Down in the basement of Ngoc Hien Pearl Farm, you'll find something totally unexpected. This area is used as an exhibition space, almost like a small museum. Many of the items displayed here were recovered from the sea over the years, including old ceramics and artifacts that date back hundreds of years from ancient trade routes in the Bay of Thailand. It's a fascinating reminder that pearl farming here isn't just about jewelry. It's also deeply connected to the history of the sea and maritime life around Phu Quoc.
There are three types of oyster we are cultured. The smallest oyster is Akoya. They are cultured from 2 to 3 years. After 3 years, if we don't collect their pearl, they will die and the pearl will be removed from the body. The second one is Tahiti. They give us black pearl. They are cultured from 3 to 5 years. And the last one is Maxima, which is the biggest oyster. They are cultured from 3 to 5 years too. The color of the pearl is natural. It depends on the color around the shell. For example, Maxima, the color around the shell is yellow. It creates yellow pearl. And Tahiti, the color around the shell is black. It creates black pearl. Now, he will open the oyster and take out the pearl. This is Akoya, 3 years. When he opens the oyster, sometimes it's pepper and sometimes it's German. Only 50 to 60% pepper. You can touch. This is the cultivation, culture pearl. To make a pearl, we implant nuclear into the ovary of the oyster. The oyster will feel something in the body. They will learn to adapt by the rhythmic model of pearl to hover around the nucleus. Day by day, it will bigger to become a pearl. And this nucleus makes from the thickest part of Maxima cell. Now, I will show you how to check real pearl and fake pearl. We rub two pearls together.
So this is how you check if it's fake or not?
White powder, this is the real pearl. No powder, this is the fake pearl.
That is so interesting.
Today, our company has a mini game for you. I will give you one question. If you have the correct answer, this pearl will belong to you. Are you ready?
Are you ready for a challenge?
Yes.
Okay. My question is, do you remember? This is Maxima. How long it can live?
Was it
5 to 9 years?
3 to
9 years. Yeah. Are you sure?
3 to 5?
3 to 5 years. This is the correct answer. Congratulations.
Yeah, I'm paying attention.
From China and Thailand into 18th century and under the sea in Phu Quoc Island. You can touch. This is fossil coral. For a long time under the ocean, it's become the fossilized. It has natural color and natural flower shape of starfish. And this one made from this one and taken from Vietnam. This is from the 19th century from Vietnam, about 200 years ago.
Wow.
Vietnamese coin.
We're looking right now at traditional coins, and they're from 200 years ago.
This is the only coin here. about 1,300 years ago.
Wow.
8 to 10th century from China.
The face, look how cute and creative they are. They're made from the coral. Wow. So beautiful.
Ivory, elephant touch. From Thailand, about 600 years ago. So many. The cooking can sink for a long time under the ocean. They work oxidation and become like this. Just an animal. Once the animal dies, it will be covered by a layer of sediment. For a long time under the ocean, it's become the fossilized. This is the real one, the real fossil. From Thailand. This is the boat on the merchant ship. And when the merchant ship exchange goods between countries, it has some incident in the ocean. And when my boss was a diver, he found it in the plane here, about 16th to 17th century.
All these dishes are from Thailand.
When my boss was a diver, he found it in the plane. So when the merchant ship exchange goods between countries, it has some incident in the ocean. And everything under the sea in Phu Quoc Island.
Wow.
Around Phu Quoc Island. You can see the ocean? The star of the sea.
Wow, it's amazing.
This is the cutting room. Last my boat found in 1994. When it's still alive, it can live for 100 years. And when they die, for a long time under the ocean, it's become the fossil shell. And the biggest shell is 300 kilograms.
300 kilograms, giant clam shell. Can you believe that, guys? 300 kilograms.
Handmade.
What is handmade?
Yeah. To make a picture, we have doing drawing, carving, and polishing. And we finish 1 meter from 30 to 40 days. It depends on the size of the picture. And the color of the shell is natural. It has 3 colors: yellow, white, and red. And this color is so rare.
Look at the workstation.
For our pearl wedding anniversary in Malaysia, I wanted to find the perfect pearl for my wife, but I couldn't find the right one. Now we are on Vietnam's Pearl Island, Phu Quoc, and this feels like the perfect moment to finally choose a pearl ring straight from the source.
So let's see what she's gonna show us. Yes, that's
Here we have the
okay. Let me see this one over here. All these rings are made from a coral. So cool! And this is how they look like. So beautiful, and they match my dress today.
It's funny.
maybe we have 5 for you.
This is right. It's cute. What do you think about this one? Looks so gentle. It's so nice. It's the price is, let's see. The price is $4.80. Let's go and explore more. Oh, these are all the crocodile skin things. I do not support that. Let's see the necklaces now.
I
I love you.
It's very cute. This one.
Whole store.
And this is the high quality pearls.
Okay.
This is real pearl. Real pearl. On the real pearl. And this is a high quality pearl.
So this is a high quality pearl. Looks so good. So this is what I selected. Do you guys like it? It's so beautiful. I just love it. And this way I have a pearl from the island. From the Pearl Island.
We noticed glasses of water on each counter and wonder why. That's when we learned that pearls need moisture, which is why there is water on every counter.
This is coming from the white cone. It's our girl that she helped us today, and she
Yes.
helped us select this beautiful ring.
It's a beautiful ring.
Yes, it's very good. I'm so happy with our selection. So let's pay for our pearl, and this is our package. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy about my purchase today.
And then we have the receipt and warranty for you.
It's beautiful.
So after the pearl factory and that amazing purchase, it's time for a mango smoothie.
It's a beautiful marketplace here, just next to the beach. Oh, look at Bambi's here. So cute. Look at him, how cute he is. Our smoothie.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, looks so good. Thank you. Looks so good.